This is a demonstration of a delivery utilizing the continuous metering mode. Pressing the on button in the lower left corner turns the FlowComm on. During power up, the FlowComm checks for errors and warnings. Per weights and measures requirements, the total displayed at boot up is the meter's total when the power is interrupted. The FlowComm can be configured to automatically advance to the delivery screen and initiate a start as if the operator presses the start button at power up. For this demonstration, the FlowComm and scale have been zeroed. The delivery hose is connected to the top fill alignment of the Permasil. The Permasil represents the use device. To prevent leaks, the fill fittings are snugged. In this mode, the meter will meter any time there is flow. The delivery hose valve is open, flow starts, and the meter starts to totalize. The FlowComm can be configured to stream out data to a terminal program, or data can be pulled using an ASCII protocol. The FlowComm uses a hose volume method that accounts for the volume of liquid that is metered and not delivered. The delivery screen shows the current running total, fluid type, flow rate in percent of maximum, flow rate in selectable units, liquid temperature, and the current flow sensor reading. For this demonstration, I will simulate a process flow stoppage by closing the hose valve. When the valve is closed, the flow stops, the meter stops totalizing, and the display will flash red. Please note that the current scale total includes the weight of the hose. For our accuracy check, we will need to remove the hose. The valve is open to simulate a process call for liquid. A FlowComm settable timer determines if the hose is empty and adds an additional hose volume to the metered total. The flow is stopped a second time. The valve is open to simulate a process call for liquid. The flow is stopped for the third and final time. To compare the meter total to the scale, the hose is removed. Totals are compared.